which of the following values could be a probability? Probabilities have a range in that every single probability has to be between the values 0 and 1. So the probability of any event has to be in this set of numbers. So anything outside of that range could not be a probability. So, for instance, this number that's negative, that could not be a probability. And that's easy to see right off the bat. 7 is as well. But the other values here, we have maybe not quite so much familiarity with what those are. And if you don't, that's okay. You can use your calculator and you could find an approximation. So for instance, the square root of 1/5, you can just type that right in and it will give you an approximate value. And it may seem kind of strange. How could a square root be a probability? Well, it doesn't have to be a square root or not a square root. It just has to be a number between 0 and 1. So this one checks out. So that one's good. Square root of 7. Let's see about that. 2.64. That's no good. So take that off of our list. And then 17/14. It should be easy enough to see that 17/14 is going to be bigger than 1 because the numerator is larger than the denominator, which means that one could not be. So of all these, the only one that could potentially be is the square root of 1/5.